Welcome back, everyone. A pretty pleasant evening underway here in the FM area. Mostly sunny, although we do have a few clouds drifting in from the west. In Fargo here, 69 degrees, 66 in Moorhead. Wind out of the west at 14 miles per hour, so not quite as gusty as we were even an hour ago. In Grand Forks, cloudier conditions, 65 degrees with wind out of the southwest at 8 miles per hour. Temperatures now are generally still in the 60s, but the coolest air all day has been in parts of northwestern Minnesota, only seeing high temperatures in the 50s. Here's a look at our next round of showers that's arriving from the west. A few rumbles just on your heels in Devil's Lake after yesterday's severe weather. Not expecting anything severe, but a few rumbles starting to move in. A few hit and miss spotty showers moving into southeastern North Dakota. A bit more out to the west, and in fact a report of some hail just coming in from Bismarck, not likely to last as it crosses over I-94 into Stutsman County, but we'll watch that for any small hail potential. So for the rest of our evening, we're going to continue to see these showers and rumbles move in from the west to the east. Our breeze is going to be sticking around for a few more hours as well, and then picking up a bit overnight as a cold front moves in. Some wraparound showers up across parts of the northern valley tomorrow morning. Strong gusty winds increase into the afternoon with gusts 35 to 40 plus miles per hour. So a gusty afternoon. Still seeing some showers lingering through the day and cooler temperatures, likely only in the 50s for high temperatures tomorrow. Some brief clearing south before the showers up north start to drift to the south. And by daybreak Friday, we could see some snow mixing in with the rain. I know you don't want to hear it yet. It is that time of year, but good news, the ground is still way too warm. Temperatures are still too warm. It's not going to stick, not going to cause any impacts. We stay breezy through the rest of our Friday, and temperatures even cooler. But Thursday night into Friday morning, parts of the Devil's Lake Basin are under a freeze watch. Temperatures 28 to 32 degrees, expecting it to be colder out west with temperatures as low as 25. Then heading into Saturday, we have a more widespread chance for frost in a few areas of freezing conditions for most of the valley. And for some, it could mean the end of the growing season. So we have called for a first alert weather day on Saturday morning. Some places have already seen their first freeze or their first frost, but this one is going to be more widespread. So make sure you're taking precautions if you still have the garden or any flowers out front. Frost temperatures between 32 and 36 degrees. Looking ahead, still, as I promised you yesterday, we do warm back up after a couple of cool days, that mini taste of fall air, but then more sunshine to start next week, Stacy, and temperatures in the 60s.
We'll be watching that Saturday morning. That could get interesting.
Yeah, I'll probably just stay in bed with a nice book, some hot chocolate.
I love that. Good advice. Nice. Thanks, Summer. Well, the Minnesota Twins ended a 19-year playoff drought. We'll have reaction from fans next.